Kum Shibanta Banrat Ding Kong ye Kajinkan Ray Jong Drugs Hapo Ribhoi District, but Kum Juru Hapo Gajala Barokaway, Nagaliang Jong Katanat Jong Pule Puti, Nangtaka District Social Welfare, but Ka Office Jong Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District, Mantak Singi Kat Artari Kubanai Nailar Arjar Arwar, Kalapan Long Yak Program I Jing Pensyai Shaki Kana Pule Jong School Ribhoi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Nongpo, Hakabai Day Batu Drugs, Uganja, but Kiwei Kijingdi Bapun Buaj, Kablapan Long Ha RBP Higher Secondary School Nongpo. Hakanegasngi layo ya kejingkran pensyai Shaki Kana School, halor ganega pang, nagi nongkren gi baper gi bakentup ya ikong I Karshandi, Ibrei District Social Welfare Officer Ribhoi District Nongpo, ikong VA Nyota Ibrei ADC Ribhoi District, ikong PL Nonglat Ibrei DSEO Ribhoi District, Ubabu W Radu Ibrei Principal Jong RBP Higher Secondary School, Hakajing lang Jong Kinohikai ka School RBP, bat ki kena pulih. Ikong I Karshandi ilai tu bakidon South Lake District hapo gejala ki bapau bha hakijing kustet jong kinong perunkam yau drugs ilong ru bak Ribhoi District kadon Hapdeng jong ke Jingma Namar bau drugs wa habannya Lyngba kene ke district ban penpoi pat Kiwei pat ke district jong gejala.
Take the pledge that I will remain committed towards the cause and devote my time for this. I will neither take drugs nor let others take drugs. I will initiate the quest for Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan with myself, my family, my locality, and my workplace. Thank you.
This route, we have the national highway, so definitely transaction and then transit of drugs, alcohol, ganja goes through this through our national highway. But we should be aware that this trend should not take place. Or for that matter, although it is here, but it should not go on increasing. We would need your help, we would need your coordination in checking that our teenagers, our youngsters are not habituated or should not get themselves addicted to drugs, alcohol or gun.
Instead of helping you, the drugs will make you forget your problems only for a short period. But when the effect of the drugs is over, then what happens? You're back to reality. You're facing your problems right back. And not only that, not only are you going to face your problems again, but you also will have to, the drugs would have affected your body, as what Madam had said, that the drugs would have affected you physically, and also it would have disturbed your mind, and you lose your mind. So it's very important that you stay away from drugs. You do not entertain the thought of even trying it for the first time.